Hello, my name is Richard Ewing, and I have the privilege of being the president of the American College of Sophia. I want to speak with you today about one of our guiding principles here, and that is the pursuit of happiness. Turns out there's been a lot of research on what makes adolescents happy, or how they can help prepare themselves for a life of meaning, fulfillment, and joy. And that research focuses actually on three elements. The first of these is autonomy. What I mean by autonomy is simply having choice over things that are important to you in your life, the ability to pursue your interests and your passions. And here at ACS, we actually have a very extensive extracurricular program that allows students to explore those interests, whether they be in the arts, sports, applied science, mathematics, debate, a whole host of different activities, and really allowing them both to pursue their passions and develop their creativity, which we believe is so important. Now, I will say that the flip side of autonomy is responsibility. That is, taking responsibility for one's actions and the choices one makes. And in fact, we expect our students at ACS to be ambassadors for the school and to support and demonstrate the values that we have here, specifically responsibility, integrity, and respect. Academic integrity is very important to what we're about as an institution, and also this notion of respect. Respect for yourself as a person, respect for others. All of this leads to another element that we think is so important for our students, and that is developing leadership. We want our students here not just to become good at academics, but also to become good and thoughtful people, and to develop qualities of leadership, to be good advocates for themselves, good advocate for others, and also to develop special qualities that we think are important: perseverance and resilience, what we like to call grit. Particularly in this time of the pandemic, we think this is so important, and we, again, want to turn out students who have a strong sense of self and also a sense of both belonging to a community and serving a community. That leads me to the second key element, which is relationships. We believe that having a sense of connectedness is critical to a successful experience at a school. And we look for teachers, and we have teachers who are not only expert in their subject areas, but also have a passion for working with young people and understand the importance of building trusting relationships with their students, which can have a transformational impact on a young person's education. So we want and will create here an environment of both community and also focus on the individual. Our teachers provide a lot of extra help for students through their consultation periods and participating in help centers that we have in various subjects, and working with students to help, again, explore their own interests and talents through our extracurricular programs, clubs, and that sort of thing. We also, again, here promote the notion of service, community service, and supporting the community we have here at ACS and extending outward into the community. This extends not just within the ACS community, but is also reflective of our alumni who stay connected with the school in so many different ways, whether it's supporting and encouraging student individual projects, serving as mentors, helping out with special events here at school, and also playing leadership roles in various ways at the school, including on our board of trustees. And another important element of this sense of community is this wonderful campus that we have at this school. The facilities, the environment, the park-like setting, all helps to create a very special place here that our students feel very strongly. And then the third key element, in addition to autonomy, relationships, is competence. And we know that competence, a sense of competence, comes from taking on important challenges and mastering them. Not easy tasks, but things that are hard. And we have a program here at ACS that we know is demanding, we know is challenging, but we also work to make this something that students who work at it will achieve success and can achieve extraordinary success and gain that strong sense of competence that will take them so far in their own lives. We here have a program that ends by providing students with 2 diplomas, an American high school diploma and a Bulgarian diploma. And in pursuing this course, our students every year score at a high level at the state examinations. They also do very well in university placement. A student who succeeds at ACS is going to be a sought-after person by colleges and universities around the world. And we have an extensive college counseling department that works with students throughout their high school years to help make them knowledgeable about opportunities, what they need to do to prepare themselves, and again, the opportunities that are out there also for financial assistance. And speaking of that, I want to say that one of the key parts of what we believe is our mission is to make the opportunities, the educational opportunities we have here at ACS available to every student who passes and succeeds on our entrance examination, regardless of a parent's ability to pay tuition. We every year award over 1.4 million leva in financial assistance. We also have 4 full scholarships that are again awarded each year. For those of you interested, I encourage you to pursue conversations with business office specialists. I just want to close by saying thank you for your interest in ACS. And for me as a lifelong educator, it has been such a privilege to be a part of this school. And I hope that my colleagues and I have the opportunity to welcome you to ACS in the future. Thank you.